Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this session we will see one more topic in Selenium automation, that is about automating the barcodes. So one of the challenging tasks for any manual tester or automation tester is validating the barcodes or QR codes, and with the help of Selenium also it is impossible to validate the text which is encrypted in the form of barcodes or QR codes, even for the manual testers, as well as we don't have the barcode readers or QR code scanners with the project teams. So what we are going to do in this video is, so we'll take the help of a third-party API along with the Selenium to read the barcode from a particular website. Okay, so that API is nothing but the Zxing API. So this Zxing API helps to read or create the barcodes or the QR codes. So here in my UiPath series I have already created 3 videos. There in UiPath we use the Zxing library to create the barcodes. So here you can see the screen with the videos with the title as encode string to barcode and QR code, and decoding barcode and QR code, and about to convert the decode barcode and QR code. So these 3 videos are related to UiPath that explains about the functionality of Zxing API, and in this video we'll see how to decode a barcode that is available in the website. So here it is the website which is related to cognos.com. so it is a free open source tool to create the barcodes. Okay, so I will show you the barcode. So here you can see the barcode type as code 128. So actually there are different types of barcodes, as it is a one-dimensional code based on the purpose. Suppose if you see these ones, these one dimension are used in logistics and industry to indicate the numbers, whereas in some of the e-commerce stores or some of the grocery stores, so we can see these barcodes to read the information about it and about its MRP details and all this information. So here we will try with the help of Selenium. Selenium won't do anything with the validation of barcodes, so we just use the Selenium to identify the barcodes and the QR codes in the website. So for working with the Zxing API we need to add some libraries into our project folder. So first we'll go to the Maven repository and we'll add the dependencies to our Maven project. So as I am using the Maven project for the demonstration of the Selenium project, I am going to add the dependencies into my project. So first go to the Maven repository and search for Zxing and click on search. So here you can see there are many results available relevant to this Zxing. So we need to copy the dependencies related to Zxing core and Zxing Java SE extensions. So first we copy this one, and so 3.4.1 is the latest version. Just copy this and paste it into your pom.xml. So this is my pom.xml for the Selenium practice project. So I'll just paste the dependencies related to the Zxing API. So this is the one API, and another thing is Zxing core Zxing Java SE extension. So this one also with the latest one as 3.4.1 version, and just copy this one as well, and so click on save or just save it. And if you are using a normal project you can download the dependencies. So here are the jars. From here you can directly go to the project and you can add the dependencies for this Zxing library. Okay, so once these jars are installed, there you can verify in the Maven dependencies, and here you can, let me scroll down into the dependencies. Zxing. Let me refresh this, guys. So here you can see the score 3.14 jar and Java SE 3.4.1 jar. So these are all the Google products. You can see Zxing/code/3.4.1 and the same way for Java SE. So first we will write the code to launch the barcode page, so which is nothing but the Cognos website. So here I have already written the code till it launches, and it will accept the cookies with the help of this click activity. So let's verify this now, and so just run as Java project. Click on OK. So our browser is opened, and you can see this Cognos website is launched, and now it will accept the cookies with the wait time of 3 seconds. So now our first step is done. So now first what we'll do is we'll identify the XPath for this barcode which is showing in this web page. So I'll just go to my previous window, and here just click on identify the XPath for this barcode and just inspect on the barcode. Okay, so now we can see this image is nothing but the barcode. All the barcodes will be stored in the image format. So here first we need to identify the image on this web page. Okay, so I'm using the selectors hub to identify the XPath for this. So here is my relative XPath for this barcode, and I'm just using this. So we can confirm here as well. So you can see 1 of 1. So this we are going to use this barcode XPath. Okay, so first what we need to do is first we need to identify the source, which is nothing but the link for this XPath, link for this barcode. Okay, so for that I'm going to store it with the help of a string variable. So here I will create one variable of type string, and we need to extract the URL from this XPath. So for generating the URL from this image link, so we are going to use this step, driver.find element. So byte.xpath. So just paste this XPath here. So first we need to find the attribute, which is nothing but the URL of this src. So for that we have one method called getAttribute, and what attribute we need, which is src. So that contains the information of the barcode URL. Okay, so here is the src variable. So let's print this now. So here I am just writing a step to print the URL that is available in the URL variable. Okay, so next step is, so we need to convert the string into a URL. So with the help of URL class, we use this URL to make it as an URL link. Okay, so here we have new URL of first we need to pass this URL variable inside this. So next thing is just import the dependencies or the libraries that are relevant to this URL. Just hover this URL and import java.net library package into your project. In the same way here also, so it is throwing for the declaration, so we'll just need to update it. And the next thing is, so as it is an image, first we need to read that as an image. So with the help of image io dot read, so we are going to read the image from that particular URL. Okay, so here we have different options. So this is the one we need to use, which reads the image from a particular URL. So here URL link is the image link, and this will return you a buffered image. So first we need to declare that buffered image as well to store it into a variable. So here we'll write as buffered image. So like this we need to declare. So for that we need to import this java awt.image package into our project. Just click on this import. Okay, so now we have the image in the image variable. Okay, so next thing is we need to use one more class that is relevant to Zxing API, that is nothing but the luminance source. Okay, so here we need to pass this image into this luminance source, and just we need to import the libraries that are relevant to this luminance source class. Okay, so these are all belongings to Zxing package, so just import this. And here also change the type to buffered image. Yes, so yeah, I think we, one second guys, so luminance source. Okay, I think this is changed. I think we need to import the different package. So change type of luminance to luminous source here. So instead of this, so I guess buffered image luminance source is a complete name, so I just use the luminance source inside the brace, so that's why it's showing error. So here we can see this buffered image luminance source is the class that is available in the Zxing. Okay, so just import that package as well. So now we can have this variable as luminance source. And the next thing is this data which is extracting from the buffered image is nothing but a bitmap. So for that we are going to use one more class, that is binary bitmap. Okay, so here the data will be stored as a binary bitmap. So first we will declare a variable like binary data, which is equals to new binary bitmap of. So we are going to use one more class, that is nothing but hybrid binarizer. And here we need to pass the parameter, and that is nothing but the luminous. Just on enter and import the relevant libraries related to this binary bitmap. So these are all the information that is relevant to this Zxing APIs. So you can see all are relevant to this Zxing. Okay, so now the output of this is the data that is relevant to the bitmap. Okay, and this data will be stored. So for reading the information, so we use one more class that is nothing but the multi-format reader. And inside it we need to use the method as decode, and here we need to pass the binary data variable. Okay, the output of this is nothing but the result of our image. Okay, so here we need to change this as multi-format reader google.zing. Okay, just click on OK, and the result of this is nothing but a variable that stores the information of the result. So here we have one class called result, and we'll store that with the help of a result variable. Okay, so this result information, here we have one more thing called result in the Zxing, so that holds the extracted or decoded data, and here we can print with the help of this result class, and we use this result variable dot get text. So it has some methods, so like just like our normal element dot. So if you place the dot, and you can see this get methods, and here we can see this get text, get timestamp, get for barcode format. So get barcode format is nothing but it will display the format of the barcode. So here you can see this barcode methods, so like so code 11 and code 128, like this we have different formats of codes are available to generate the barcodes. So if you want that information, you can get with the help of this result class. So our intention is to find out the text from this particular given barcode. Okay, so we are going to print this barcode with the help of system.out.println in our console. Okay, so let's run this again, and we'll check whether our information is displaying on the console or not from the given barcode on the page of Cognex. So our Cognex page is launched, and now it perform the accept cookies action. And now the barcode type is set to code 128, and here we have the information like ABC 1234. So this information we should see in the console page. Okay, so now we have the link that is relevant to the barcode which we printed here in the line 46. So now we should able to get the information of ABC 1234 in our console. Okay, still execution is going on, and we'll wait for the time when it prints. Okay, so now we can see that information as ABC 1234 in our console. Okay, so that is the same information which is configured in the barcode. Okay, so here is the data, so you can see the data here as well. And suppose if you want to enter your own data, means you just need to identify the XPath for this and pass the inputs, and then you can verify that barcode is updated with the input data or well as well, and you can keep the assertions in between the input data and the data that is extracting from this Cognex website barcode. Okay, so here all this code which is relevant to this Zxing are standard ones, so you can just need to copy and paste it in your project and you can follow the same process. So everything is same, and same for barcodes or for the QR codes or any type of codes irrelevant to the type of barcodes or the dimensions of the QR codes. And you can see different types of codes are available here, like mobile tagging, EAN, UPC, ASBC, and so all this process is same. So here what we did was, so first we identified the URL for a particular barcode or a QR code, and then we use the image IO.read. Once the URL string is converted into URL link, and we use the URL link to identify the image from this image.io.read, and we got the buffered image with the help of Luminance source classes. We converted that image and then we extracted the data with the help of binary bitmap, and by taking help from the hybrid binarizer we passed the Luminance data information, and then we stored the result which is obtained from the multiple format reader, which decodes the image into the string format. And with the help of result class we got the information available in the decode variable. Okay, and like this we can use this Zxing API or Zxing libraries in our project to validate the barcodes in our daily projects. Okay, that's all about this session. I hope you enjoy the session. If you like the video, please do like and subscribe to our channel, and please share these sessions with your colleagues or with your friends. That's all about this class. Thank you.